Hi guys, here's a quick tutorial on how we made a PJ Masks cake with 3 different drip colors. So the drip that we use for all 3 colors is actually a water ganache recipe, which I will link below, or you could just Google water ganache and come across the recipe. I can't remember which blogger shared it. And all the sprinkles that we used in this tutorial were Sweetapolita sprinkles that we bought, just because they have this huge variety of all sorts of sprinkles. So we had the green ones going on top of the green drip, and then the blue ones, and then for our 3rd color we had matching sprinkles for that as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Before you apply the drip on your cake, you always have to make sure that your cake is super chilled. So chill it in the freezer for like 5 to 10 minutes and then take it out and put your drip on. The reason why you want to make sure that's the case is so that the drips end up getting suspended on the cake. So you see how they stop at some point and they don't just fall off the cake entirely. So you can make sure that's the case once your cake is fully frozen, and then you can apply your drips. Halfway through putting on that pink color, I ran out of drip, so we literally had to make some new drip from scratch. So that was not cute. So that's our final color going on. Put the sprinkles on all around the border, and ta-da! We're done.